Hi guys, this is Roger from FTSE100training.com, and this is a continuation of my video collection or my video series. This is video number 4. Now, hopefully you've started to get some kind of a understanding as to what exactly day trading is. I hope you've seen videos 1, 2 and 3. What I'm going to do, without wasting much video time, because really we have 15 minutes per video session, what I'd like to do is introduce you to what we call the trading platform, and we'll also have another look at the charts, and I would like to take a live trade while you're here. Okay, so now what we're looking at is my trading platform. Bear in mind, this is a demo account, so the 50,000 balance that you see isn't mine. It's paper money. By law, we are not allowed to show our live account, if you like. So although the market is live, these let me just move that across. These charts and these bars that you see is absolutely live, i.e. it is the live market. Okay, this is what we call the trading platform, and this is what we take our trades off. So here's where we sell, here's where we buy, obviously the account number, balance, and total equity, profit loss, and so on and so forth. So what I'm waiting for is a trade to set up. We use quite a few strategies. One thing that we don't use is too many indicators. I'm not sure if you know much about trading. In the event that you don't, fine, no problems at all. Most traders fill up their charts with a lot of what's called indicators. We trade what's called price action. Indicators, in our humble opinion, my humble opinion, has a tendency to lag, i.e. after price has moved, an indicator will point in that direction. What we trade is price, so what we're looking at is exactly what we interpret to happen next. So I mean, just looking at this chart, I know for a fact if you are new to this, it would not make head or tail, and that's perfectly fine. What I'm going to do here is take a quick trade, because I'm looking at another screen as well. Price has broken away, so I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell £10 per point. So we need to see that it's on sell, and we need to see that it's 10. And I'm going to put a tight stop on this. So I'm selling. I'm going to put a stop on this. There we go. Where's my stop? Okay, there we are. So I sold at 79. My stop will be 10 points away. So 5979 plus 10. You got it. 5989. So I'm risking a maximum of 10 points on this trade, i.e. I'm risking £100. Now when you first start with us, we recommend that you have a balance of £2,000, and based on that £2,000, you will never ever risk more than 2% of your total equity. You've probably heard me say that again, but money management is the cornerstone to your success or failure. So we adhere by the rules of money management, very, very strict money management. And like I said, when you come in, you have a opening balance that we recommend, a minimum of £2,000. In fact, we say open it with 2,000, no more, and let's grow that account, build up confidence in yourself, and as you go along your journey in developing as a day trader, we'll add to that account. So if you were a trainee with us, you would have on this particular trade risked £2 a point. Okay, so every point that the market drops, like you can see, you'll be making £2. I've taken £10 because my obvious account balance would be significantly larger than yours. So I'm just basing it on basically what it is. So as you can see, I've sold at 59.79 with the view of the market going lower and dropping. I'm just going to bring that up a bit more so you can see it. Bring my platform back. So right now the market does that. The market doesn't do what you want it to do, okay? We just interpret direction and we take the trade based on our interpretation. The market, on the other hand, is uncontrollable. She does what she wants. We as traders only interpret the price and act upon our interpretation. So like I said, I've sold at 59.79, which means I got into the market at 59.79, and it is my expectation for the market to fall lower. As she falls lower, I make £10 per point. I'm just going to open this up a bit. It's 4:15 I took this trade, okay? So I know exactly what time I took this trade, which was 3 minutes ago. Now, the UK, this is live. The UK will be closing, the UK market, i.e. the FTSE 100, will be closing in approximately 12 minutes. So we're going to stay with this video and see what develops. As you can see, it's 2 points against me. Now, that doesn't mean I'm taking a loss. What happens is, every time I take a trade with my broker, who happens to be the company without giving them any exposure, you can see who they are, they have a fee now, which is called a spread. They spread, which will all be discussed later in more detail, is £2 per point, which means for every trade that I take, the first 2 points is theirs, i.e. think of it as a fee, right? Every pound that you trade, the first £2 is their fee. So I've taken a trade, the first 2 points, which is £10 a point, the first £20 is their fee. If you take a trade that's £100 a point, when you become a bigger trader, the first £200 is their fee. If you're a new trader, you take a trade which is £2 a point, the first £4 is their fee. I hope it's sort of making sense. So right now, as I look at the market, we quickly look to the right of the screen, the chart area. I'm expecting the market to drop lower, and as she drops lower, I will make money. So the market's a little flattened right now. We've got 10 minutes. It should do something, i.e. it should drop lower according to my interpretation of price action, which is the strategy we use. So we just wait around a little bit. Like I said, we are FTSE100training.com. We are day traders. This is what we do for a living. We don't just teach people. We actually practice what we preach. If that sounds too much of a cliche, forgive me. That's the best that came to mind. I'm doing it live without a script. So basically, we take trades. So when you're training with us, or our trainees that are training with us, when we call a trade, we take the same trade. So we're not there just to say, you know what, this is what you do, da 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 da, good luck. No. We take the same trades that our trainees take, and we are active day traders, i.e. we trade every single day, Monday to Friday. Now the idea of trading is to give you a lifestyle. So for those out there who may be thinking, oh goodness, I can't be sitting on my sitting at my computer or my laptop all day watching these blimming charts, it drives me nuts. No, we don't do that. We trade at the most active times, i.e. when there's most traders in the market, i.e. I gotta stop saying IE. When I played it back, I hear myself saying IE too much. But what I mean is when there's most volume in the market. So for example, when there's most active traders in the market, what that does is it gives the market some volatility. Volatility is healthy in what we do because it gives the market direction. Now, we don't care which way the market moves. So if the market was to go down, we sell. Now you're thinking, hang on, can you make a profit though? We can. Normal thinking would suggest that if the market's going down, how can you make a profit? You should be losing, right? Technically that is correct. If you're trading, let's say, equities, stocks, options, that is the norm. If the market drops, you lose money. But in what we do, when the market drops, we still make money so long as we are in the correct direction. For example, if I anticipate the market to fall, I sell, I make money. If I anticipate the market to rise, I buy, I make money. So really, we as traders trading this particular strategy, excuse me, we don't really care which way the market moves so long as she moves. So she could go up or she could go down. So once again, just getting back to this trade that I've taken, we're at 0 now, which means the next movement down should start producing some profit. We have 7 minutes before the UK 100 closes, and yeah, we should make some progress on this particular trade. You can see she's trying to break lower, and you know, as she breaks lower, it will produce more profit. Now you may be thinking, and I'm sure you figured it out, whilst you make a profit, there must be you know, the risk of you losing. Yes, absolutely. Should the market rise and go to the price of 59.89, I lose money, i.e. I'm selling £10 per point, so I lose £100. Now this is based upon my account size. If you were new, you would be only selling £2 per point, and you would have a max loss of £20 for you know, for this example. Right, the market's moving in my favor. I'm making money. 5:15. Start again. 4:15. I entered this particular trade. As you can see, the time is 24 minutes after 4. I've been in this trade for 9 minutes now, and she's starting to collapse. We've got 5 more minutes before the UK closes. I'm making £40 in 10 minutes. This is designed for everybody. This day trading, you don't have to be a degree holder or anything like that. You don't have to be you know, great with maths or anything like that. I mean, this is designed for a stay-at-home mom, a cab driver, a uni student. Anybody can do this. Really, anybody can do this. Right, look, the market's dropping as I'm chatting to you here. I had a profit opportunity at 71. It's at 73 now. It's offering me £40. 10 minutes in this trade, I've made £40. It's going up to £50 now. Well, hopefully you're getting an idea of, you know, how our interpretation of the markets make money, make us money, and can make you money too. So if you want to explore this further, by all means, all you got to do is log on to FTSE100training.com. So that's www.